Alright, you might feel a little tingling in your neck.
Alright, relax your jaw real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna clear your airways.
Alright, now you're gonna wanna relax your hip bone, like.
Alright, we're gonna loosen your spine a little bit. Okay, you might feel a little pinch.
Alright, you might feel this one a little bit in your toes. Now we're gonna do a big crack on 3. 1.
Alright, reach and touch your toes. Oh, you could do better than that. Alright, you're gonna feel a little pressure in your neck.